Now let's see this question. It is given in GATE 2016. I'll read it out for you. Consider a disk queue with request for IO to blocks on cylinders 47, 38, 121, 191, 87, 11, 92, 10. So these are all the requests that we are having now. The CLOOK scheduling algorithm is used. So the algorithm that they are saying they are using is CLOOK. So that is what we have just seen, the CLOOK algorithm, right? The same algorithm is what they are talking about. Now the head is initially at cylinder number 63. So they are saying that initially the head is at 63, and also they have given the direction in which it is moving. See this, moving towards larger cylinder numbers, and it is important. In case if they didn't give you this direction, assume that it is moving towards larger cylinders. Otherwise they will clearly specify the directions. So here, just to avoid the ambiguity, they have even given the directions. Now they are saying that it is moving towards the larger cylinder numbers on its servicing pass, which means it is starting at 63 and then it is going to 64, 65, 66, so on like that towards the higher end. Now the cylinders are numbered from 0 to 191, and the total number of cylinders we have is 200 from 0 to 191, right? The total head movements in number of cylinders incurred while servicing these requests is. So they are asking, if you have to service this request using this CLOOK algorithm, then what is the total number of movements that the head is going to take in terms of number of cylinders, which means how many cylinders it is going to cross your read-write head. Now let's see the solution here. I have drawn everything in the in this diagram. Now if you observe this, they have clearly mentioned that the read-write head is initially positioned at 63. This is where our read-write head is, right? And from 63 we are moving towards the higher side, which means from here we are moving towards the right side. Okay, now while moving towards the right side, whatever requests we have, we are going to definitely satisfy all those requests, or provide service to those requests. So the requests which will be initially fulfilled is 87, 92, 121 and 191. Now just observe this one. Just like look, we are not going to go towards 199 here, right? Why? Because since 191 is the highest request we have, we will be providing service to that, and immediately after that we are going to return towards the lowest request, right? So which means from here I'll be returning to the lowest request, and in this case the lowest request happens to be 10. And again, one more observation you need to make here is we are not going towards 0, right? Now we will be stopping at 10. Now after stopping at 10, then I'll provide this service to the remaining requests. Now the remaining request is 11, this one, 11, 38 and 47. Got it? So we started from 63, and while moving towards the right side, I have provided service to all of these requests, and then I come back, and after coming back I am going to provide service to all this, right? Now once you fulfill all the requests, you can stop there. Now just count how many in this entire process, right from the beginning to the end, how many cylinders you crossed. Now if you try to count all that number, from here to here the number is 24 cylinders you have crossed, from here to here 5, from here to here 29, from here to here 70, and from here to here 181, and from here to here 1, here to here 27, here to here 9, right? Now if you add them all, so if you add all these movements, it is going to be 346. So total number of cylinder movements in this case, or the total number of cylinders which our read-write head has moved is 346 cylinders. Got it? Okay.